Soon we're moving to Japan for 2.5 months. We'll give you a glimpse into our San Diego life before we go.
In this neighborhood that we live in, there are oranges, tangerines, and many different strains of lemons. If we notice that a lemon tree has fallen lemons, we invite ourselves to take a few.
I should try harder to please you.
There's even a community veggie garden that is open every Saturday. I peeped in to get some ideas for our future homestead.
Let me down. Babe, don't be so hard on me. Don't be so hard. Don't be so hard. Can I stay in the darkness? I am drawn to the light.
Lily got this electrical bike on OfferUp. It was used for $200, and right now we're gonna use it to go to a local farmers market in La Mesa. It's pretty good, really fast. Both of us can get on it, and then it can actually fold, so it fits in our car.
Sit like this.
And this is how we fit. Here we go. Lily and I love going to farmers markets.
Thank you.
What you got over there?
A sample.
Bag.
Flowers for our wedding.
So this is where we got the flowers for our wedding decoration. We did all the decorations for ourselves.
Smells yummy.
There's flowers in the bucket next to you. Those purple flowers.
They're so pretty.
They smell so good.
Yeah. Oh, our hummus guy. Okay, this is the pita chip that we always get. It's very different from your grocery store pita chips. And we used to get hummus here all the time, but now we make our own hummus.
One of our sustainability hacks we have for farmers market is we always refuse bag when they offer one for the products we buy here. On the way home, we decided to make a couple of drifting stops.
Some of them don't even look like bunnies. Like, it's not a bunny. What is this thing? It's like a pug. Yeah, it's like doot, doot, doot.
These are some glasses we found. Look how pretty the colors are.
Yeah, like the light is just...
This is the cup we found, and this is a regular cup.
so pretty. Look at this picnic basket. Look at the inside. It's so cute. And the leather detail, leather probably. It doesn't have handles, but you can just add that on. Oh, no bag, please.
No bag, and how about wrapping those up?
Yes, please.
Okay.
One, two, three, four, five. Right now we're going to Kobe Swap Meet. It's the biggest swap meet in San Diego, and it's actually our favorite swap meet ever. So we'll take you guys around there.
Okay, so we had a bunch of coins rolling around in our car, and the entry fee to the flea market that we're about to go to is $2 per person. And we have barely enough. We had like 3 cents left over.
We're here. Here they sell basically anything you can think of, from like toiletries, food, thrifted clothes.
Now last time I got a really cute Snoopy t-shirt for $5, and then I got these little mittens for when I ride my bike because my hands get cold.
Hey, boss.
Can we get one mango?
Just mango?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Do you like ripe or no ripe?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
We put lime sauce, chamoy, and chili powder on it.
We usually bring our own utensils, so that we don't have to grab an extra plastic. These cases you can't really do anything about because that's kind of how they measure it with, but the forks you can. Those look so good.
How's it? Yeah?
Did you get them right here? Oh, it's so ripe.
Ah.
Oh, that's so yummy. They look pretty ripe.
So the lime sauce, chili powder, and chamoy hits first, and then the sweetness of mango hits us after. Snack number 2. What are we getting?
Hot Cheeto elotes.
No, it's okay.
Oh, you know.
Okay, so this is called Hot Cheeto elote. Elote is like a popular Mexican snack. We got one in Mexico for like $2. Here it's like $8, but it's still worth, I think. Yeah. Corn, chamoy, cheese, butter. Oh, mayo. Lots of mayo.
Is it good? What are we doing today, Danny?
So one of the ways we've been getting ready for a nomadic life is selling our things off. And we're selling Lily's TV. We put it on Facebook Marketplace for $80, and someone's gonna come pick it up right now. Just made $80. We just hiked up the Cowles Mountain. It took us about 45 minutes. But look at this view.
We decided to end our stay in San Diego with a hike. We love being in San Diego. Even if it was for a short time, we'll definitely miss it.
We packed all day, we moved out of our Airbnb, we put our stuff in a storage unit, and we dropped off our car at a friend's house. And now we're at a hotel that's 10 minutes away from LAX.
Hope you guys enjoyed our video so far. The next one, we'll see you in Japan.
Let's go!